Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix standby mode not working properly on iPhone devices. As we know, Apple regularly introduces new feature and improvement with each iOS device. And in its latest iOS 17 version, standby mode is definitely one of the highlight feature. When your iPhone is in standby mode, it will display various full screen widgets or useful information including the time, weather, calendar, photos and etc. While this feature seems to be useful, many iOS users complain about the standby mode not working on iPhone. So today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. Our method number one is check device capability. According to Apple official, standby mode is released in iOS 17. It means it's only work with the devices that are capable with this version, and these devices are from iPhone 15 series to iPhone XR. So make sure that you have these devices to work that standby mode on your iPhones. Now step number two is make sure standby mode is enabled. The standby mode will be activated automatically once it's locked and charged in a landscape view. Standby mode not working in iOS devices. You can check whether it is enabled in the settings app on your iPhone. For checking this, simply you have to tap on your settings and then scroll down and go to standby and see if it's enabled or not. If it's disabled, then simply enable it. After checking this and you're still facing the standby mode not working issue, then you have to try method number 3. Make sure that the portrait orientation lock is disabled. If the portrait orientation lock on your iPhone is turned on, the standby mode will not work well. This is because the standby mode will only be activated when the device is charging and it's placed in the landscape view. For disabling it, simply you have to go to your control center and you can see your option portrait orientation mode. If it's turned on, then simply turn it off. After applying this all solution you're still facing the same issue, then you have to try solution number 4. Start your iPhone. If the standby mode not working on your iPhone issue still exists, you can try restarting your iPhone. Restarting is a simple and quick way to fix some bugs and glitch on your iOS system. And standby mode is one of the new feature in iOS 17. It may have some stability issue. So guys, restarting your iPhone, simply tap on your settings and then scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down, tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.